Hi, I'm Wanda from Alanda Craft, and today I'm going to show you how to cut layer cakes or 10-inch squares from your yardage. So let's get on and show you how to do it. When you bring your fabric home from the store, you'll generally find that your edge isn't straight, so the first thing we need to do is to straighten one edge. So what I'm going to do is take my ruler and just lay it along the folded edge. Now I have the folded edge facing me and I have the selvage edge facing away. So I just line up one of the lines on my ruler along the folded edge, and I'm just going to straighten this piece of material. You can see that it's out. Here we go. Now the next thing you'll want to do is to cut your selvages off. So we have a nice straight edge here now because we've straightened that edge. So just check how big your selvages are, and you can see these are quite big. So I'll again line up one of the lines on the ruler along my straight edge. So there we are, we have nice straight edges there. And now we can go ahead and cut our 10-inch squares. Now my ruler is only 8 inches wide, so it's not wide enough to make a 10-inch cut, so I'm going to have to use my mat in this instance. So I line my straight edge up along the edge here in line with the 0, and then I have my ruler on the 10-inch line. And I've still got the folded edge towards me. Now I'm just going to gently pull that away and make sure that it's cut, and it has. Alright, so now I need to come across to the 20-inch mark. And make the second cut. So I've turned my pieces of fabric around now so that they're ready to cut, and I have the open edges down here along the 0 line, so make sure that they line up nicely, the two of them. Now you can do these one at a time, you don't have to cut the two at a time like I'm going to do. Right, so we come across to the 10-inch line on our mat, and we're just going to cut. Now I come over to the 20-inch line, and there you have it. So we've now got 8 10-inch squares cut. Now if you have a particular number of squares that you need for a project, then just head over to our website, because we've got a chart there that will tell you how much yardage you'll need for the number of squares that you need for your project. Okay, so if you've enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to catch us on Pinterest and Facebook.